So do not forget this ground.
It's that black Canon plug. That is the ground for the ECU. I will show you right now. I'm going to turn the key on. We'll go unplug that. Fuel pump will shut off because that is the ground for the ECU.
All right, I got you guys set up in my fender well, and this is the ground quick disconnect that I'm talking about. I'm gonna go hit the key. Hopefully you can hear the pump on. And if we disconnect this, it's that simple.
You have to run a ground. This is factory. It goes to the chassis and then to the chassis to the battery. In my case, the battery's in the back, so I ran that ground all the way through the car to the battery because I love the factory system. They've worked great for years. Ford made millions of these systems. But ironically, it turns out I do need a new computer, so don't know where I'm gonna go at this point.